wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! Oh, and we have another special science project for you today.
Science!
Today we're doing something...
Science!
Science!
Science! I like when you finish my words.
You're funny.
You're funny too.
Today I'm going to finish not a word, but a worm.
A worm?
Exactly.
How do you finish a worm?
Well, we're actually going to create a worm, aren't we, kids?
Wow!
Are you excited about that?
I'm very excited about that.
Do you like the worms?
I like worms. I don't know though. Sometimes they're kind of crawly and like slimy.
Yeah, like oogly slimy.
Yeah, like, I don't know, like worm, I guess. Yeah.
Well, did you know that earthworms are originally from Europe?
Ooh, Europe is very far, right?
It is very far.
Wow, no. How did they get over here? Did they just come on a boat or a plane?
They probably came on a boat.
Oh yeah, a boat makes sense.
But we can find them here in the North America area.
Ooh.
And did you know that they do not live in deserts or regions where there's permafrost or permanent snow and ice?
Whoa. No, I didn't know that. Oh, I think I know why. Can I maybe try and see?
Of course.
Is it because the ground has to be soft so the worms can dig down into the dirt?
Soft and moist.
Ooh.
Moisture is important. It can't be cold and icy and too cold, but they need to be moist.
Oh, that's very smart.
Yes. And typically earthworms only are a few inches long, like 7 or 8 centimeters.
Oh, wow. So like maybe only as long as my finger.
Exactly.
Wow, they're little.
Yeah, they are. But it is known that they can grow to 14 inches long.
14 inches long?
Yeah.
That's like my hand and your hand and our other hands, right? Like that's...
Something like that. Well, let's just guess. 12 inches is about a foot, right?
Wow, yeah, 12 inches is a foot.
And then 2 inches.
2 more inches.
More than a foot.
Whoa.
It's almost the size of a snake.
Oh, wow, like a snake. And you know what? I know exactly how big 12 inches is. 12 inches is the size of a ruler.
Or a Subway sandwich.
Oh, yum.
Yum.
I love Subway sandwiches.
Yeah, me too. I love sandwiches. I just had one and it was so delicious.
I did too. It's almost like we had lunch together.
Yeah, we did.
We did.
So, on to the project.
On to the project.
We are going to make earthworms.
Ooh, earthworms that we make. That's crazy.
Exactly. We're not going to go outside or pick because the weather right now is not so nice.
Yep, it's cold.
We rather make our own.
Yay!
So, what do we need?
First, we need sodium alginate. And then we need calcium chloride.
Cool. And what else?
And then we need a pipette.
Or, en français, which means, in French,
In French.
pipette.
Ooh, la pipette.
Le pipette.
We are so multinational.
We'll teach that to you kids another time.
Yay! And also, we need a test tube.
Whoa, test tube. We've got tons of those.
Yes, we do. And then a cup and some water.
Cool. So, I think we should have our kids get all of those items too so they can do it with us. So kids, you go out, get all of those items.
Yeah, and come back and play with us.
Exactly. By the time you come back, we can go through it and tell you exactly what you'll be doing.
Yes, we'll be all ready.
We'll be right back.
Let's go.
After after these messages.
Science! Science!
Why are you telling me silence?
Just because, we're doing science. Okay, so now what we will need is sodium alginate and calcium chloride. We're only going to use half of this. And then we need 2 cups of water. So I put 1 cup of water already in here. And then here I have another cup of water. And I'll pour that in here. Water, 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 water. And then pour it in here. And I'm going to use a popsicle stick to mix it together. You could use a spoon. You could use whatever. If you use a spoon, don't put it in your mouth afterwards because it would taste gross and not be healthy. Ew. That looks gross already, doesn't it? Okay, it just says mix it. Doesn't say until it dissolves or anything, so. Ew. Science is really cool, but science is also sticky, I guess. Okay. We're going to set that there for now. And we're going to pour in half. And then half. That's about half. And grab another popsicle stick. And then we're going to stir this one up too. Stir, stir, stir. And it doesn't say that it has to dissolve. So I'll trust that, I guess. Calcium chloride. And then, okay, and then you take the pipette full of that material and you put it in the other water in a thin stream of the ooey gooey stuff. Ew. It looks slimy. Whoa. Look at that worm. Ooh, it's just floating and floating. Wow. All right, and then I stir it up, and then we pull out the worm. And then we'll put the worm in the petri dish. And then we can do a close-up of the worm.
That looks so slimy.
Yeah, isn't that slimy and ooey gooey?
Whoa.
Whoa, isn't that cool?
That looks amazing.
What an amazing little worm thing.
Olivia, I think we created a worm.
We did. We clearly created a worm of a life. Wow. Wow.
Does it move too?
Yeah, look.
You jiggle it that way, right?
Jiggly worm, yeah.
Whoa.
We probably could have made it a color too. Whoa.
Next time.
Color activities. Yeah. Ooh, worm.
Very cool.
That's awesome.
Should we show it to the kids?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, kids.
Can you guys see the worm? Worm coming at your face.
Wow.
Wow. Why are we whispering? I don't think worms have ears. I don't know either.
Okay, kids. I think that's for it for today's show.
Yep.
Thanks for watching our worm episode. We did science.
We did science.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Science.
Bye.
Bye.
Science.
Bye, science. It's a slime science. Science.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.